What's going on, YouTube? So I just want to do a follow-up with this Bluetooth keyboard. I love the top half of this trackpad, not so much. The keyboards are fine. It takes a little bit of getting used to when you're using your home row keys over here and you're trying to hit like the V or the B because of how small it is, and the C, how small they are. So you have to get used to that. And the number key is actually fine. I don't have a problem with the number key at all. This trackpad, it works. I don't want anyone to think it doesn't work. It works, but after playing with it for a week straight, trying to get accustomed to using it and everything, it's just not a fit. You know, I'd rather use my Apple Pencil when using my iPad to just scroll around like a mouse anyway with everything else I want to do. So I'm gonna probably give this away. I'm gonna give it away and give another one a shot. So I'm not gonna get another one with this trackpad on there. It looked cool. It sounded like a great idea. If there was a way I could just cut this off and just have this top part, that'd be great. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna find someone to give this to, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just get a trackpad that's just the number key with the number keys on it, just this top half without this. It's a cool idea, and there are probably people out there that really like this, but for me personally, yeah, this doesn't work. I gave my other one away thinking that this would be a fit, and this works. I mean, I could use this without the trackpad and just use the pencil, but realistically, it's just not a good fit. It's just not. When you're used to using the trackpad from like the MacBook Pro or even the iPad Pro that I have using that Magic Keyboard, this thing is just off. And I don't want to buy a whole keyboard thing for that. I was just hoping to use a portable one. And I could probably just get away with just using the keyboard on the iPad mini itself. And that's one less thing I got to worry about taking and carrying. So, you know what? As I think about this, guys, I'll probably just use the keyboard that comes with it and just buy a stand and be good like that, right? Because I don't really type that much. I respond to a couple of emails here or there, but this trackpad overall is fine. The battery life is great. I don't want to kill it and say that it is super bad, because this top half is awesome. It's just a couple of these keys from the way it's moved over this way, you know, how small these keys are. But other than that, it's not a bad it's not a bad keyboard. It's just this trackpad, yeah, I could do without. So hopefully this helps someone out. I'm not saying it's not usable. It is usable. It takes some time to get used to, and it may work better on a different system other than like Apple. It may work great on a Samsung tablet or an Oppo or OnePlus or Xiaomi or Lenovo. One of those tablets, it may work great. But my experience using this with the iPad mini 6, this is just not a good fit at all, guys. So I just wanted to give that follow up with this keyboard. Hopefully, again, this helps someone out. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. I'll see you all in the next one.